How to prepare for a professional carpet steam cleaning. If you are looking to clean the carpet in your home or office, you should get in touch with Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne, since we are a leading carpet cleaning company in Melbourne. But before you book an appointment with us, you will need to prepare for the service. For that, make sure you declutter your apartment first. Keep your pets away. Clear the entry point of your apartment. Move small furniture. After following these points, you should book the best carpet steam cleaning service in Melbourne provided by us. We are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaner in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.